good. It's Heather the Original. Hey, everybody. Happy what? Fish Friday. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. As always. Yeah, it's me on Fish Friday. I'm so excited. And I just want to make sure that everybody out there is enjoying a good fish plate right now, or whatever it is you're choosing to eat. That's what's up. I am choosing to have some tilapia fish I fried myself with macaroni and cheese and corn and potato salad and then a regular salad. I don't know. This is what I wanted. But anywho, if you are returning to me, hi. Thank you so much. If you're new here, well, guess what? I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for doing that. That keeps my channel afloat, and it makes it so I can survive in this world, and I appreciate you for that. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, and even the notification bell. Why not? But yeah, like I told you what I was having tonight, and I am just so eager to get it in. I'm starving as usual. I starve myself until I get to be with my peoples, which is you guys. So let me say a quick prayer. I don't like to say quick prayer, but a prayer. God's great, God's good. Let him think it's for our food. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Yes, it's my go-to. But I'm starving, ready to get in. I did tilapia. I pray I'm saying it right, y'all. Fish. I haven't done that in a minute. In a minute, child. In a minute. I haven't. I got some hot sauce. Let me do it regular first to see how I did. I got it's my own homemade tartar sauce. I call it tartar sauce. Wow. I did good on the seasoning. Not overpowering. I'm sorry you can't taste it, but I did a good job. Pat myself on the back for that one. Now, I got different types of hot sauces. Well, just two. I'm gonna try this Texas Pete hot sauce on it. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, I'm spilling stuff. Hold on. That's one a little bit. Oops. Wow. I'm just a tartar sauce type of person, I guess. But I like hot sauce too, though. Yeah, I guess I could do the combination of them both. I cooked it earlier, so sorry it's not crunchy. Sorry it's not crunchy. If you heard me. You can hear my dog. I know, I'm sorry. I may take her out of the room and erase her. Because she is so impolite when we're having a meal together. Thank you so much for joining me for a meal. Thank you. Yeah, I just been trying to catch up. And all my beautiful fellow nutbangers. Yeah, I know I'm coming. But anywho, sorry for the interruption. If you guys felt it, I may take you out of it. I had to put Serenity away. She wasn't gonna let us enjoy our dinner. Well, it's a weekend. Y'all got plans? If so, what you gonna do? Anything awesome, amazing? Share with me, please. I have no plans. No. Not doing anything. No. I'm a total nerd for that. I just don't. No. Alright, guys. Maybe I should find something to get into. Yeah, I know. I'm reusing that thing. I need some hot sauce. Where's my hot sauce? Oh. Don't fall. But yeah. I just been so wrapped up in my kid, I just didn't, life, And my older daughter sees, she'll be like, you can take your grandkids. I'll be like, oh, well. That's probably what's going to end up happening, you guys. I might just be volunteering myself to be babysitting this with them. But I gotta drop this vid right after I film it. And my daughter Shayla, she'll get notified instantly. And she pays attention to my videos. Bless her heart. And she'll be like, oh, hold up. Mom, you ain't got nothing to do? Oh, okay. Good to know. You guys, I might get busted. Oh, shoot. I might busted myself out, y'all. That was awful. I mean, mess around and total myself. Whoops. Yeah, I got a salad here. Just like your standard salad. But yeah, I may have messed up. I mean, I feel like I'm a young grandma, so shut up. I do. I still make plans and do things. Shoot. My daughter seems like she's more, traditional stay home person. Well, I am not. Not right now, anyway. I'm sure will be. But so she's used to me always having plans. But I do like keeping my grandkids so she can go do something. To be honest, I'll be encouraging them. Like, damn. Yeah, I'm like, old folks, go do something. Get out the house. they don't ever have nothing they want to do. But every once in a blue moon they do. But usually, they're not, club goers like how I was raised, I don't say raised, but I came from a really small town. And the only thing to do was go to the bar. Local club, you know what I mean? Not really a whole bunch to do. So, I guess I'm a little bit more tailored to get myself together to go out than she is. I'm always like, I just am. And that comes from the town I was raised in. That's all there was to do. And yeah, every once in a while I was doing something at your house, but and those are mainly college kids that did that. But if you were in college, you were, say, a mother like me or a young mother. I'm not really a young mother, but well, yeah, but I mean, in my 20s as a mom, the only thing to do that we did for fun is we wanted to get dressed up and step out. Last thing we wanted to do was be at home. We're like, shit, we're always home. Oops, excuse my French. We're like, we're always fucking home. I was cursing him. I'm like, we're always home. So, naturally, what was fun for us was to get dressed up and go out. My kid, she's different than me. To an extent, she still enjoys going out. Oh, how cute. As a matter of fact, she's messaging me right now. I kid you not. I haven't even put the video out and I'm already busted, y'all. Then, I apologize if I'm eating quick, y'all. I'm just hungry. I ain't trying to front a lie. I'm hungry. I've been waiting for this meal all day. In the room I'm in, you hear background noise. I have the window open. Sound like a major dog thing going on. Which is weird because my dogs aren't even reacting to it. But yeah, I love my family, I love my family. I love my guy. I mean, I may not be all the way there, I'm still in my feelings about my loss, but trying to continue on and pick myself up as best as we can. I mean, because I feel like me and my family is all doing that. As best as we can. Because Shelby's greatly missed, so. It's far from easy. We're all trying our best. To you know. So, anywho. So when I talk about stuff and going, I don't want people to think, I don't know what I think people think. I don't even know. I said this before in videos, but a part of you just don't know why. And it's kind of scary to think that somebody would think that you didn't care. Or that you didn't deserve the right to, keep on going through. I guess, Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't even know when you came in here. Shiloh. He wasn't in here a second ago. Yeah. But anywho. I talked enough about those people, but people that you just really didn't care about you and you cared about them. Dogging you out, and it must, since the time of your life, it hurts. I mean, I guess if that's what they wanted to do, it worked. I mean, someone who's, I got some red hot Frank's hot sauce now. Well, I guess if that's what they were accomplishing, it's weird. I don't know. Anyway, it's just weird. I don't know. But I have a lot of good other people in my life who support me, who are amazing people. I'm blessed and thankful for. Jules, Robo, hey Mom. Both of them, good women. And Heather, hey Heather. She's AKA Sis, Robo, Jules. I got some good queens, that been down for me and fending for me. Huh? Mm-hmm. I feel blessed. Because they have been checking on me, fooling me, rolling me. Mm-hmm. And now, my neighbors, my man, have been talking crap on. I know. Well, I had a vent about it for a minute. You guys saw who I have. Chill. We got in trouble. Like I said, he apologized. He's understanding my thought process, and I'm understanding his thought process, and we're chilling out. It's okay. We all can breathe. My daughter just called me. I have to let her know I'm filming, child. It's so good. Yeah, I got to wrap this up and see what my child wanted. Actually, I know Shayla's not a child. Grown woman. I just say that. But I do respect her as such. She's an adult. I'm getting full. I am full. This is good. There's a little bit left. Mm. Woo. This is a good meal. I don't even want to stop eating it. It's so good. But I am beyond full. I ain't anymore. I'm gonna explode. One thing, if you're suffering from, any type of weight issues and things, one of the things you need to do always is have control. When you're full, stop. You don't have to push yourself. Stop eating. In my heart, my mind, this is a lot of food I ate, so therefore my body is telling me enough. And we need to listen to our bodies. When they say enough, it's enough. Just because you can see more food there, that doesn't mean you need to consume it. I can see this food there. I just made my plate too big. Learn to pay attention to your portion sizes. Yeah, calories, carbs, but one of the major things is pay attention to your portion sizes. It can go both ways because I overmade my plate, so I do that for dramatic effect so you guys can see more food. But I say no, that's my job to do. But if you're weight watching, oh my God, portion control, calorie control is huge. Carbs too, but honestly, if you control the portions and the amount that you put on each plate and convince yourself you're full, you are actually probably full. You don't need all that. You're just telling yourself you do. Basically, it's because you could put it into your body. It reminds you of alcohol. Like, you get those people who say, oh, I could drink a lot. And then you want to instantly question, yeah, but can you handle it? Yeah, your body can consume it, but can you handle it? And a lot of people like to consume a heavy amount of alcohol, but can't handle it. And what's the point? It's the same thing with food. Just because you could put a lot of food into your body, can you handle that food intake? Do you exercise? What type of food are you putting in there? You would have to exercise and be able to keep up with a high regimen of exercise to get rid of those calories that you put in your body. Can you do that? Can you handle that? If you can't, if you're not an active person, I wasn't an active person. If you're not an active person, you sit at a desk hours a day, and then your fun time is on the computer or playing video games or whatever. You're not a very active person. You don't get there and walk. Like right now, after I'm done, I'm going to go edit this video, get it out, and then me and my dog are going to walk. But if you're not an active person, then that means you can't handle that food intake. So don't take in more than you can handle. Yeah, I'm on that vibe now. I'm going to start. Some people have been coming to me, so I'm going to assist in some things because I do know things about weight loss. So let's just start with common sense. It's just that simple. Don't take out more than you can handle. When I say you can handle, that means can you work that off? Can you dedicate 30 minutes of walking afterwards or 45 minutes of exercise in the gym? Can you do it? Will you do it? If not, just like alcohol consumption, I can't handle it. So don't do it. If you're just sitting around, you like to sit around, chill, watch movies, play games, I'm for that too. If that's what you enjoy doing, well, how much calories do you burn watching a movie? How much calories do you burn, sitting around chilling? Well, if that's all the calories that you're going to burn, then I suggest you do not eat. You eat half of that. You want to burn those calories off. So you don't want to consume. If you can only burn 300 or 100 calories off that night, then don't eat less than 100 calories. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is common sense. So I love you guys. I'm here. I'm always here. I ain't going nowhere. If you're new to me, please do not forget, because I'm assuming that you did already, hit that subscribe button. Oh, I know you did it, because you're smart. You did it. I already know you did it. Notification bell, let you know when I drop a vid. Like the video, please, and thank you. And comment, let me know you did that work, so I can say something to you and say, well, thank you. I want to thank you. And share it if you'd like to. You guys have a great night, great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. There you go. Bye-bye.